In this video, I will show you how to upload sound effects to Discord. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is come to your server, come up to the top left hand corner, click onto your drop down box and then come into server settings. From here, what you're going to want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side, and towards the top you're going to see this soundboard option. So what you want to do is click onto this and then go ahead and press the blue upload sound button. Now what you want to do is click onto the browse button and go ahead and locate the sound effect on your system. So you just want to use the File Explorer to find this. So I've got a sample one here which I'm going to upload. What you can do is drag these bars at the side to basically set the start and end times of the sound effect, and you can preview the sound just by pressing the play button here. Once that's done, go ahead and give your sound a name. And if you want, you can also give a related emoji if you want to, so you can choose from the list here. And then just go ahead and click the upload button down here. Now to go ahead and actually use the sound effect, what you're going to want to do first is join a voice channel. And then if you come down to the bottom left hand corner, you're going to see an icon for your soundboard, which is this one here. Just click on that to open up the soundboard, and you're going to see your sound effect here, which you can play at any point if you want to, just by simply clicking onto it. So that's how to go ahead and upload sound effects to Discord. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. If it did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.